So I chose the UNLV Executive MBA program because of the AACSB accreditation.
What was special about UNLV EMBA that other programs didn't have was the value and affordability.
That makes this actually really the real deal.
The learning experience, not only the academic learning, but the learning from other people is what has been so beneficial.
You know, to me, what I thought would give me the best advantage to develop myself as a person and my career.
It's very interesting, actually, how much of the program I use in my daily life.
It's very rewarding and fun to meet people and be able to network with people in Las Vegas as well.
It's a team, you're a family, you work together, so I really wanted that.
And how much I still rely on my cohort through that professional career.
I think a lot of us looking for this are missing something and feel that this program can provide whatever that is to help move us forward in our career.
I was able to develop the skills and knowledge necessary to perform better, lead meetings better, lead my team better.
It is the best decision that I've made.
Really, it's whatever you want it to be.
It's going to be valuable for me.